ways to boost your productivity at work using AI. As a product manager, I've seen firsthand how AI tools like ChatGPT can transform the way we work and make tasks faster, easier, and more efficient. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 practical use cases of ChatGPT that you can start using right away to streamline your workflow, from drafting emails to reports, to generating creative ideas and organizing project timelines. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to utilize the power of AI to supercharge your workday. Let's dive into one of the most practical ways to use ChatGPT at work, which is answer frequently asked questions from your colleagues or clients. This is a huge time saver, especially if you are dealing with repetitive queries every day in your work. We all get asked the same questions over and over again, whether it's about company policies, SOPs, or customer service details. Normally, you would go and dig up the details, write a response, and send it to them. But with ChatGPT, you can automate the entire process to give you more time to focus on important work. Now, instead of manually typing out the details every time, you can upload a file containing all your FAQs or policies, and ChatGPT will be able to pull answers directly from that. Let me show you how easy it is. Here's how to get started. First, I've created a document that contains Amazon's return policy, which I want ChatGPT to reference. You can upload whatever document you want ChatGPT to reference as a knowledge base. Here, I will upload this document by clicking the Upload File button. Once the file is uploaded, ChatGPT can use this information in that document to answer related questions. Then I can ask, can you summarize the return policy from the file I just uploaded? Here we go. ChatGPT has summarized the return policy based on the file I just uploaded. This makes it super easy to handle questions without having to manually input all the details. Now, let's ask it a real FAQ that you might get from a customer or a team member. What's Amazon's return policy? Then ChatGPT immediately responds with the return policy that it pulled from the file we just uploaded. This simple automation can save you hours by back and forth with clients or coworkers. Whether it's return policies, onboarding instructions, or any other common FAQs you will have, you can prep ChatGPT quickly by uploading relevant documents. So, the next time you are dealing with repetitive queries, try uploading a file with all the key details and let ChatGPT handle the rest. It's a simple way to supercharge your productivity. And remember, you can upload the different files for different FAQs to make sure ChatGPT always has the right information. And you only need to do this once per session, and ChatGPT will use that context to answer all related questions. Next up, let's explore how ChatGPT can help you draft and refine written communication, such as emails, reports, or even presentations. ChatGPT can save you time by quickly generating well-structured content that you can customize to fit your specific needs. Writing professional emails and reports can sometimes take up a large part of your workday, especially if you are trying to get the tone just right or you are struggling with writer's block. ChatGPT can act as your personal assistant to draft and refine your communication to ensure everything is clear, professional, and polished without spending hours on it. Here is how it works. Imagine you need to send out a follow-up email to a client after a meeting. You can give ChatGPT a few key details and it will take care of the rest. And here are the few key details you will want to provide to ChatGPT to get the best results. The first detail is who the email is for. You need to specify if it's for colleagues or a team member, so ChatGPT can adjust the tone accordingly. The second one is the purpose of this email. What's the goal of the email? In this case, it's a follow-up to a meeting. The third thing is main points to include. Outline the key information you want ChatGPT to cover. For example, summarizing what was discussed in the meeting, thanking the client, and mentioning the next steps. The last thing you want to mention is tone. Is the email formal or casual? This will help ChatGPT adjust the language. So here's what I will do. I will provide ChatGPT with these specific details for a follow-up email. First, I'm going to tell ChatGPT what I need. I will say, can you draft a follow-up email to a client and thank them for the meeting? Summarize the main points we discussed. and listing the next steps. Please use a formal tone. Okay. As you can see, ChatGPT has created a polished email covering all the points I mentioned here. It starts with a polite greeting, provides a summary of the meeting, and outlines the next steps, all within seconds. By providing just a few key details, you can have ChatGPT generate a draft that saves you loads of time. So next time, when you are stuck writing an email or you just want to speed up your process, give ChatGPT a try. It can handle the structure and tone while you focus on getting the message just right. You can use the same approach for reports, presentations, or even formal letters. Let's move on to a task that many of us face regularly, which is create meeting outlines and presentation decks. ChatGPT can be a great tool to help you structure your meeting agenda and even generate slide content quickly and efficiently. Preparing for meetings can be time-consuming, especially when it comes to organizing your talking points and putting together a clean and clear agenda. On top of that, if you are building a presentation, you might spend even more time designing the slides and writing the content inside of the slides. ChatGPT can streamline this process by generating meeting outlines and even suggesting content for your slides. Let's say you're hosting a quarterly sales review meeting and need an agenda that covers the key discussion points and the next steps. When asking ChatGPT to create a meeting outline, you will need to give it some basic information, such as the meeting purpose. What is the goal of this meeting? In this case, it's a quarterly sales review. And the next thing you want to mention is the key discussion points. What are the main topics that need to be covered? The next thing is attendees. Who will be in the meeting? This helps ChatGPT understand how detailed or high level the outline should be. You also need to include the next steps. What action items or discussions should result from this meeting? Let's use these details to generate a structured agenda. I will ask ChatGPT, can you create a meeting outline for a quarterly sales review with the team? The agenda should include an overview of Q3 sales performance, challenges faced, opportunities for Q4, and action items for the next quarter. And keep it concise and professional. Alright, here's the outline. It includes all the key topics we need to discuss, starting with a review of Q3, moving into challenges, then identifying opportunities, and finally concluding with action items for Q4. This makes it so easy to get it organized for the meeting and ensures that we stay on track. Let's dive into another powerful use of ChatGPT. Conduct research on industry trends or competitors. If you are a product manager, marketer, or business strategist, staying on top of industry changes and competitors' activity is very crucial. ChatGPT can help you streamline that process by gathering insights quickly and efficiently. Traditionally, doing this kind of research means shifting through articles, reports, and blogs, which can be incredibly time-consuming. But with ChatGPT, you can get an overview of trends or competitors' information in seconds. Whether you are exploring a new market or looking to benchmark your company against others, ChatGPT can pull together relevant insights and information very quickly. For this example, let's say we're interested in the current trends in digital marketing for 2024. You will want to specify the industry or sector you want to research. In this case, it's digital marketing, and also the type of insights you are looking for. For example, trends, innovations, or emerging technologies. And lastly, the time frame you are interested in. We will focus on 2024. But here's how I ask ChatGPT. Can you provide an overview of the latest trends in digital marketing for 2024? I'm particularly interested in emerging technologies and strategies that companies are using to stay competitive. ChatGPT has highlighted several key trends, like the increased use of AI in marketing, the growing importance of personalization, and the rise of video content as a top marketing tool. These are kinds of insights you can use to inform your strategy or share with your team. But what if you want to research a specific competitor? ChatGPT can help you with that too. Let's say we want to analyze what a competitor like HubSpot is doing in the digital marketing space. You can ask, Can you give me an overview of HubSpot's latest digital marketing strategies? Now, we have a quick snapshot of what HubSpot is doing in this space. ChatGPT gives us insights on their content marketing focus, inbound strategies, and some of their recent initiatives. This is incredibly useful if you are looking to benchmark your own strategy against the key competitors. By using ChatGPT to conduct research, you can gather detailed insights on industry trends and competitor strategies in just a few minutes. You can refine your research by asking follow-up questions or digging into more specific aspects of a trend or competitor. Now, let's explore how ChatGPT can assist you to create training resources and documentation. Whether you're onboarding new employees, providing training on software, or documenting internal processes, ChatGPT can help you generate clear, concise, and well-structured materials. Because creating training materials or documentation can be very time-consuming, especially if you need to cover detailed processes or technical information. With ChatGPT, you can quickly generate guides, step-by-step instructions, and even customize them based on your company's needs. This makes it much easier to train new employees or provide helpful documentation to your team. Imagine you are onboarding a new team member and you need to provide a guide on how to use your company's customer relationship management or CRM system, like Salesforce. Instead of writing it from scratch, ChatGPT can help you create the entire document in minutes. Let's first give ChatGPT some clear details. What's the topic? What's the subject of the training? In this case, it's how to use Salesforce. And who is the audience? Who is the guide for? Is it for beginners, advanced users, or specific teams? And also, what main points you want to cover? You will want to mention the key aspects for tasks that need to be included in this tutorial. For example, logging in, creating new accounts, and tracking sales activity. And here's how I will ask ChatGPT. Can you create a step-by-step training guide on how to use Salesforce for a new employee? It should cover logging in, creating new accounts, tracking sales activities, and generating reports. Here we go. ChatGPT has generated a full guide that walks the user through logging into Salesforce, creating new accounts, tracking their sales pipeline, and even generating reports. Each section is broken down clearly with actionable steps to make it easy for the new employee to follow along. So, ChatGPT can save you hours of time and ensures that your documentation is clear, professional, and easy to follow. It can also help you create FAQs, troubleshoot guides, and even video scripts for training sessions. The key is providing clear instructions and being specific about what you need, and you will have professional-grade materials ready to go. And that's it, my friend. We've covered some of the most powerful ways you can use ChatGPT to boost your productivity at work. As you've seen, ChatGPT can help streamline your workflow and save you valuable time, no matter what tasks you are handling. If you found these use cases helpful, I encourage you to try them out yourself. And let me know in the comments below which use case you are most excited to implement. Or if there are any other ways you've been using ChatGPT to improve your productivity. I would love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.